If you see a green dot on your Android phone, here is how to turn it off. The green dot indicates when your camera is in use. First, make sure that you have an app open that uses the camera. So close the app, tap the add switcher button, which is usually in the bottom left, and then tap on close all to close any apps that might be using the camera. If the green dot is still showing, or if you want to prevent it from appearing, you can open your phone settings and then enable the developer options. Scroll down to the bottom and go to developer options, or you can simply use a search bar and search for developer options. Then scroll down and you'll get the option of quick settings developer tiles that is below the demo mode. Go ahead and tap on that. Hover over to senses off and simply tap on it to switch off all the senses which will stop the green dot from appearing. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.